The Culinary Institute of America at Copia, in collaboration with Butter of Europe, is pleased to bring you Baking and Pastry Excellence, a free online educational series featuring the best in world baking and pastry.
Hi, I'm Chef Toni Sakaguchi from the Culinary Institute of America. Let me show you how to make a classic French madeleine made with Butter of Europe. For an unexpected twist, I'm flavoring these buttery madeleines with lemon zest and cardamom and filling them with blackberries and lemon curd. Madeleines are little French cakes with a wonderful cookie-like crust on the outside and a tender, buttery cake-like crumb on the inside. We're going to start by preparing our lemon curd. First, mix the sugar and lemon zest in a bowl, massaging the zest into the sugar to release the flavorful oils. Next, set up a double boiler. In a medium pot, bring an inch of water to just below a simmer. Using a bowl that will fit on top of the pot of hot water, combine the egg yolks and whole eggs. Add the lemon sugar, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and mix well. Place the mixture over heated water and cook, stirring constantly with a silicone spatula. Continue to cook and stir until the mixture is nice and thick. It should coat the back of a spoon and reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the curd from the heat and stir in French butter 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring well after each addition to emulsify. I'm using French butter here to make a perfectly creamy, smooth curd balanced against the intense tart lemon flavor. Chill over an ice bath to cool and place the curd in a piping bag with a small round tip. Store this in the refrigerator. Next, we'll make our madeleines. We'll start by making the batter. Combine the sugar, lemon zest, and cardamom in a bowl and massage these ingredients together so the lemon releases its oils. In a mixing bowl, sift together flour and baking powder. In a separate mixing bowl, using a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, beat the eggs, salt, and honey. With the mixer running, gradually add the sugar and continue to beat on high for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's pale, thick, and doubled in volume. Sift the flour mixture over the batter, gently folding it in with a spatula. Mix a spoonful of the batter into the melted butter, then fold it all back into the batter. For these classic French treats, I'm using French butter. French butter has a higher fat content and results in a rich flavor and tender texture. Place in a piping bag and refrigerate for 4 hours. Preheat a convection oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Butter the pans with room temperature butter and dust lightly with flour. Fill the madeleine tins about 2/3 full. Press half a blackberry into the center of the batter. Bake for 8 to 9 minutes, turning halfway through for an even bake. When the cookies are golden, puffed up, and just set, remove the pan from the oven and allow them to rest for 5 minutes. Remove the cookies from the pan and pipe 1 teaspoon of lemon curd into the center of the blackberry. Serve the cookies dusted with powdered sugar with a side of lemon curd and blackberries. You'll love these airy, tender, and buttery madeleines.